Good morning, fourth grade online learners. Welcome to April 8th, 2021. In Mr. Monzo's science class, we have a quiz tomorrow. It's on Friday. Seems unusual because we've only been here since yesterday, but this lesson is continued from last week when we were learning about the Earth's star, also known as the sun. So I have some volunteers. They're going to read. Emma Ginsberg is going to go first, and she's going to read her journal summary. And then we're going to pick people to read from the book just as a review from last week because most of you probably forgot what we were doing last week. I almost did myself. Oh, Emma now wants to read the study guide, which is also a big help and can be found on Google Classroom. And then after Emma's done, she'll pick who's going to read first. Now, Emma's very brave today because she does have something wrong with her arm. But she can. Oh, it's her shoulder. Okay, here we go. Emma Ginsberg, go ahead.
Planet, a large body made of rock or gas that moves around a star. Mass, the amount of matter that an object contains. Orbit, Earth's path as it travels around the sun. Gravity, a force that pulls bodies or objects towards other bodies or objects. Photosynthesis, the process of which green planets use the energy in sunlight to make food. Solar system, the sun, all of planets and other small bodies that orbit the sun make up the solar system. Main ideas: energy from the sun heats water. Plants use the sun's energy to make food. Some areas of the Earth's surface are heated by the sun's energy more than others. The sun's energy powers the water cycle. The Earth's gravity is stronger than the moon's gravity. The amount of gravity that a body has is due to its mass. Gravity is the force that keeps the planets orbiting around the sun. The sun is the largest of all bodies in our solar system. The solar system has 9 planets. If Pluto is counted, we see the moon because the sunlight is reflected by the moon to the Earth.
Okay, very good job, Emma Ginsberg. And online learners, that is our study guide, which also can be found online on Google Classroom. And who wants to go first? Okay, Allison Talkersberry is going to go first. She's going to read from the book, page. Oh, wait.
Can I read the one from yesterday, my journal entry?
Oh, she wants to do a journal entry. Okay, come on up, Allison. Either way, it's all good information. Come on up.
The sun is like the star in the middle of our solar system. The sun is about 93 miles away from Earth. The sun is in the top 3 things that we need to live on Earth. The sun is so hot, it is 28,080,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is the biggest star in the solar system. It also is 109 times bigger than Earth's diameter.
Okay, very good job, Allison. Now, does anybody want to read from the book? Yes, we have Ava Van Dyke. She's going to come up. Okay, what do you want to do, a journal entry or read from the book? All right, journal entry. I think we're just doing journal entries today, which is fine. We read from the book last week, so let's hear their version of what's on the websites. Ava Van Dyke.
If you wanted to fill the sun, you would have to use over 1 million Earths. One day the sun will consume the whole Earth. If you look on a map, the sun is almost perfect. It almost is a perfect sphere. If you were to look at the sun, you would see white, but it's actually all the colors together.
Okay, very good job, Ava. Nice summary. Anyone else for a summary today? I thought we had one more. No more? Okay, so basically tomorrow, guys, online learners, the quiz is on the sun. We did have a little bit of trouble with one of the websites, but you can always Google your own website or use a previous day's website. Just know that the sun is billions of years old, and it's going to live for another 4 or 5 billion years, and that's a long time, guys. So some people think, well, what's going to happen when the sun burns out? Well, 5 billion years from now, we're probably going to invent a spacecraft to go to another galaxy and leave long before that happens. Just my crazy thoughts. All right, online learners, thank you for tuning in, and do good on your quiz tomorrow. Once you start it, don't stop it, so make sure you study ahead of time. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.